Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be different from what you've seen about VPNs for Azerbaijan. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research document covering every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time explaining stuff you don't care about, or that doesn't even matter for using a VPN in Azerbaijan, just to stretch this video to 15 minutes, I'm going to straight up tell you which ones are the best VPNs for Azerbaijan right now, and a few key things about each one that actually matter. That way, you can just pick one and move on with your day. And for the nerds like me, I'll leave a link in the description so you can grab my entire research document for free and read it anytime this year. Seriously. Alright, let's get straight into it. Top 3 VPN services for Azerbaijan and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for Azerbaijan. Why? For one, it works reliably in Azerbaijan, which is a must given the regional restrictions and internet censorship. Speed? It's literally one of the fastest I tested. Low ping, no connection drops, zero packet loss, and solid download-upload speeds. Perfect for streaming Azerbaijani content or just browsing safely. Features? It has the most features out of any VPN. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it, it's all there. Pricing and support? It's affordable for what it offers, and the support is top-notch. Do they keep logs? Nope, no logs. Fact. What about encryption? They use the best encryption tech to keep your online activity private in Azerbaijan. Overall, super easy to use, fast, reliable, and reasonably priced for what you get. Negatives? Only a 10-device limit. Second best VPN for Azerbaijan is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward no BS VPN built purely for performance. Great if you want smooth, uninterrupted internet in Azerbaijan. Speed? Incredibly fast with consistently low ping. No lag spikes, no packet loss, just smooth browsing and streaming. Features? It covers the essentials, a reliable kill switch and split tunneling, which is handy if you want only certain apps or browsers to use the VPN in Azerbaijan. Pricing and support? One of the best values out there, often cheaper than competitors, but still delivers top-tier performance. Support is quick and helpful. Do they keep logs? No, they don't. Their no logs policy is independently audited. Encryption? Top-notch AES 256. Negatives? It's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which makes privacy geeks nervous. But that no-log audit does hold up. Plus, the server network is smaller than the other two. Overall, a clean, fast, and secure set-it-and-forget-it VPN, perfect for dependable internet in Azerbaijan. Third best VPN for Azerbaijan is Private Internet Access, PIA. Why? It offers a massive server network and the most customization. Great if you want flexible settings to bypass Azerbaijan's online restrictions. Speed? Very good. A huge server network means you can always find a fast, uncrowded server near Azerbaijan or elsewhere. Features? Packed with goodies. A kill switch, a solid ad blocker, and it's the most customizable VPN here. Pricing and support? Usually the cheapest premium option on this list. Support is solid and professional. Do they keep logs? No, and their no-logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption? The best encryption tech, and it's customizable too. Negatives? Like IPVanish, it's US-based. Plus, the app isn't quite as sleek as the other two. Overall, a reliable, transparent, and powerful VPN. Best choice if you want solid protection in Azerbaijan, but are budget-conscious and need advanced options. And that's it. My top 3 picks for Azerbaijan: NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick any of these VPNs based on their colors or logos, you'll be more than fine. They just work perfectly for Azerbaijan's online conditions. Quick recap to end if you're still unsure. Go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN for Azerbaijan, with a premium experience, the most features, and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN that offers incredible value for the price. Go with PIA if you're on a budget but still want a VPN with a massive server network and tons of advanced features. My job here is done. I gave you the answers, so you don't have to waste your time. I've dropped my exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description below, so you can get the best prices out there. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one and hit me up in the comments. Let me know which one you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.